The Atlantic natural resources. The Atlantic region has a wide variety of natural resources. It has good soil for farming, many forests to create paper and wood products, a variety of different minerals such as coal and gypsum, as well as a lot of the fish used for food are caught in this region. Agriculture. In the Annapolis Valley of Nova Scotia, fruits, grains, and berries are mostly grown. However, in both New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island, potatoes are most commonly grown. In fact, about half of the potatoes grown in Canada come from the Atlantic. Forestry and lumber. This region has a mixture of both boreal forest as well as a mixed forest, which make it great for creating both paper and wood products. Due to the vast forests, many communities have formed and relied upon forestry for work. Some of these communities are Edmondson, New Brunswick, Florenceville, Bristol, New Brunswick. Minerals. The minerals found in the Atlantic are copper, silver, lead, salt, and gypsum. Cape Breton Island of Nova Scotia had rich deposits of coal at one time. Glace Bay and Sydney, Nova Scotia boomed during these times. Now, due to pollution concerns, coal production has decreased substantially. Fish. Another very important natural resource to the Atlantic is fish. People had used this area to fish as far back as the mid-1400s. In the 1950s, overfishing occurred and the fish populations began to decline. In 1992, the Canadian government banned cod fishing off eastern Newfoundland to allow the population to increase once more.